Almost 8 months ago, I tried to change my life, and at that time, I came across this question: how can I design a life that I love? And well, I found the answer. I've been designing a life that I love from past 7 months since I started this channel. And that's why in this video, I'll help you design a life you love with 3 powerful steps. And at the end, I'll also give you a system to design your ideal day. But to create a life you love, first you need to go through these stages. The first thing to do is to identify, to get clarity on what does it mean to you to design a life you love. A life that you love, it might be a life full of fulfillment every day. It might be a life of appreciation and joy where you make your own decisions in terms of work, life, love, relationships, freedom, or it might be a life where you have a romantic relationship with someone. So the first step is to identify your goals. Most people want to create a life they love, but they won't be able to create a life they love because they'll try a bunch of different things but end up nowhere. This is because they don't set a goal. If you don't set a goal, you try a bunch of things, you drift around and end up nowhere because you don't know where you are hitting. So have a goal. The best exercise to identify your goals are: take a piece of paper and write down all the 20 things that you want to accomplish within the next 3 months, and see from all those goals, which goals has the most impact in your life. Which are the goals, if you could achieve within the next 24 hours, will help you to create your dream life, and shift those goals on a clean sheet of paper. Most people have goals to achieve great things in their life. I also had so many goals, like 2 years earlier, I had many goals. I wanted to start a YouTube channel, but it took me almost 1 year to start a YouTube channel. Why? Because I had a goal, but I didn't have action to achieve that goal. And if you don't have action, if you don't have plan to achieve your goals, then that always remains a goal. So have a plan to do in daily basis. This sounds very simple, but it's to write down actions that you have to take to achieve that goal. Now the real problem arises. Most of us, we know our goal, we know the action that we need to take, but still won't achieve our goal. This is the main reason, because we don't plan out our calendar according to our action. Don't let your action just be in paper. Let your action also be in your daily routine. Suppose, let's say I want to get 1K subscriber within next 3 months. So my action will be to upload 2 videos per week. 2 videos per week, plus every day I'll analyze title, thumbnail, I'll learn about scripting, and every day I'll talk in front of cameras to improve the fluency. If I just have actions, and if I don't plan in daily basis, I won't do that thing. So now I need to set my calendar in such a way that I'll wake up around 6. From 7 to 10 every day, I'll work on my YouTube videos. I'll script videos, I'll edit videos, I'll film videos. From, let's say, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m, I'll work on my skills. Great. Now what happened? Now you don't need to constantly remind your goals, because now the action that you take in daily basis will automatically help you to achieve your goals. When we was a child, then when we tried to walk, we failed lots of time. And every time we got up and we tried again. We got up and we tried again. We got up and we tried again. We didn't say to ourselves that, I tried my first time to walk and I was not able to walk. I failed. So I'll not walk again. We never did that. We tried 1,000 different times to be able to walk. So same thing with life. To create a life that you love, it does not happen in days. It does not happen in weeks, months, years. It takes time. It generally takes time. You need to try a bunch of different things. So when it comes down to process, when I was in school, when I was in grade 8, grade 9, my goal was to become a CA, chartered accountant. Most of my classmates wanted to become a CA. So I got exposed that CA earns lots of money. So I also wanted to become a CA. But by the end of grade 10, when I joined plus 2, I took science. At that very moment, I got exposed to engineering, computer engineering. And I thought, it will be great if I become a computer engineer. I'll be working at Google, making money on dollars, I'll go to US and have my life. So I wanted to become a computer engineer. And I thought a life that I love will be after becoming a computer engineer. And now in my bachelor's, I'm studying computer science. But I'm making YouTube videos. And at this point, I love making YouTube videos. I love expressing myself in front of cameras. I love talking to cameras. And I think now, creating a life that I love is by making YouTube videos. But who knows, after 4 years, I may start a business and I may love that business so much that a life that I love might be doing a business. Or it may be great after certain years to have a loyal wife, to marry a loyal wife. And spending time with her might be a life that I love. So it's a continuous process. It constantly changes. You try a bunch of different things until you fall into something that you think will help you to create a life that you love. Creating a life that you love is like throwing a bunch of things in your wall bunch of stuff in your wall and seeing what sticks. And the thing that sticks with you will help you to create a life that you love. And always remember that it's a long process. You may not find in days, you may not find in months, you may not find in some years. It is a continuous process, it takes time. So just explore. Don't try to only stick to one thing, one job for the rest of your life. Try new hobbies, try new experience and see what sticks with you. What you love, actually love doing. And the things that does not stick, it's completely fine. Just move away. Most of us, what we try to do is, we try to achieve our goals overnight. We try to do a bunch of different things to achieve our goals as fast as possible. But in that process, you get burned out very easily. We try to jump from 1.0 us to 2.0 us directly through a high jump. But we don't recognize this, that if we fail in middle, then we'll fall back to the ground. And we'll never have any kind of motivation to get up again. If you want to get from 1.0u to 2.0u, there's a gap between that. And that gap is filled with small steps. We don't recognize the importance of small steps, but doing one thing for 2 minutes every single day for a year will change your life completely. Just 2 minutes a day. James Clear writes in Atomic Habits, the power of 1%. If you improve yourself by 1% every single day, within a year, within 365 days, you'll be 37 times better. And vice versa. If you degrade yourself by 1% every single day, you'll come nearly down to zero. And there will also be a situation where you need to get back to track, or you need to recommit back to your goals. It's very easy to get distracted, and it's completely fine if you get distracted. When you're working on something, you may get distracted by new opportunities. But the main thing is, do you get back to your core purpose? Do you recommit to your goal? Always remember, journey is as much as important as destination. You need to embrace the journey. And to achieve a life that you love, you can't just think you'll work once in a month, you'll upload once in a month videos and then you'll blow up. No, that does not happen. You need to show up every day. You need to take daily actions and try to find joy and happiness along the way. If you want to create a dream life, then happiness is a process. It's not a destination. Always remember that happiness is a journey. It's not a destination. So while creating a dream life, always be happy at the moment. Because if you think, once I reach my goal, once I create my dream life, once I hit that $1 million, then I'll become rich, then I'll become happy, then I'll be honest with you, you'll never become happy. Because after $1 million, there comes $2 million, there comes $10 million, there comes $100 million. So the goalpost always shifts and the bar of happiness always increases. So try to be happy at the moment. If you're happy at the moment, you'll always be happy through the rest of your life. Even if you don't get $1 million, even if you get $500,000, you'll still be happy. Now I think you have created a life that you love, and you may want to build better habits to achieve your goals. Or you may be procrastinating to achieve your goals. So you may want to remove that procrastination and create a dream life. Then you must check out any of this video. It may be here or somewhere around here.